Hello family, how are you? Since the house was being built, I've never shown you how it turned out when it was finished. Actually, it's still not finished. It's been more than 5 years already, if I'm not mistaken. It's not completely finished, but yes, it's basically just missing some details like painting it, for example. And today I want to show it to you. I want to take advantage of the fact that there's always a lot going on at home. There are a lot of people. We do a lot of things. There are quite a few of us. There are 5 people living here. And today I'm going to take advantage because there's no one here. So with my daughter, who's filming me from the other side right now, we made the house look really nice. We've been cleaning, fixing everything up so that it's presentable to show. It's winter, it's very humid, very cold, but you can already see how the landscape is turning all brown, all dark. The engine you hear in the background is the generator, which we've had to keep running for about 3 days now. Because there hasn't been a drop of sunlight, there are like 2 layers of clouds, and only today are a few rays starting to peek through, but honestly, no energy at all. Well, that's why you see clothes hanging over there, and there are clothes hanging in the workshop too. Because nothing dries. Well, this is the entrance to the house. That's the window of the glass room, my oldest daughter's room. But we're going to go in through the side because honestly, we always go in through the side. We like the other entrance much better. Here, Roma was gathering firewood. Today it's actually hot, but we've had many very cold days. Well, this is the pergola at the main entrance, which is made of wood. It used to have palm leaves, but they've already dried up. So we're going to build a little roof here so that, well, we also have a space to put plants. And there needs to be a floor here. Grass can't grow here because we're always coming and going. All that mess is because we were painting inside. So, well, let's go in then. Let's go in. The house has a shared area, which is the living room, the dining area, and the kitchen. Because we think it's nice. So if someone is cooking here, they can be talking to someone who is studying in the dining room, or someone who is drawing or doing something or working at the table. So this space is one of our favorites, of course, because we share a lot all the time and we like it. Because there are people who might prefer their own individual space and their own kitchen. We really like to share. So since we had a small countertop where we lived, we made a huge countertop, which is often even full of things. And sometimes we even run out of space. This is the countertop and kitchen, which sometimes gets warm so we can have mate and share together. Then we have a heater. It has that whole system of pipes. That pipe over there heats the bathroom and the other one carries some heat to the bedroom. Anyway, it's really a house that was built with a lot of thought, right? So all the windows, these face north and this one faces east. It has some eaves that aren't very low. So in winter it's warm, a lot of sunlight comes in. It's the low winter sun, and in summer the overhangs protect it, so it's very cool. It's designed so that the house is able to function without power. It's very bright, so it hardly needs any lights. Today we turned everything on, but that was just to show you the house. Otherwise, everything is off during the day until there's no sunlight, and only then do we turn on the lights. Is it Misu powder? Which one is Misu? Let's move the lens away. Hey, I'm Misu. Oh, what a cute purr. my love. Here, Cero. Cero. She is Cero Paz, but now she's just called Cero because there's no more peace. Because we named her Cero Paz because she was very mischievous. What a cute boy. This is the laundry room, which is a small laundry room right before the bathroom. It's very messy, full of clothes because we haven't been able to wash anything, so that's how it is. The basket is overflowing and everything else too because there are wet clothes everywhere. It's been raining for a week and it's humid. Well, but this is the little laundry room. Here is the washing machine, and over here we keep the cleaning supplies. This is the bathroom. Come on in. All the spaces look bigger than they really are because to get the right angle we have to use, like, what's it called? A lens that makes it look a little bigger. Well, and now let's go to my room, which has two parts. My room is downstairs and Noah's room is kind of like a loft with all those clothes hanging because, like I already told you, nothing dries here. So Noah's room is up these stairs, going up here, these stairs, and up there it is. Now we're going to go see it. And this is my room where I also work. That's my work desk. So it's a pretty shared space. I'm going to put on this lens like I was telling you, so I can go upstairs and show you Noah's little room. Let's go. She's really into stuffed animals. She has her little stones, her crafts that she makes. See? Leo, what are you doing? Leo, come here, come on, okay? Come on, let's go. Let's go see Crystal's room then. Boom, boom, and Crystal's room is Noah's. Taking the opportunity to study a little bit. Hi, Noah. What are you up to, drawing? How cute. Well, this is Crystal's room, my oldest daughter. It has a living space area and they're still setting it up. It has a closet in this area. It also has a small staircase. I'll zoom out with the camera. All right, you know, it has a little staircase going up. Let's go. It's the room. Let's go with Crystal to the greenhouse. Like making a vlog. We're going to show you the greenhouse area. Over that way. Well, and I also want to tell you that over there in that shed is where the whole solar system setup is. You can see the panels over there in that area. And inside is where the inverter and all the other parts of the solar system are, because this house is completely powered by solar energy. Well, we left that plastic sheet here because they recently fixed the roof, so they had to remove it. Let's go. Let's see how, beyond the greenhouse. Can you help me, Chul? Yes. Let's go. Anyway, everything dries up. Well, that's the cherry tree. This is the cherry tree, yes, which is already losing its leaves. The peach tree too, look. It's this. Here we have the spinach. This one is already being harvested. And here the new batch is growing. This is the aloe batch we've already harvested from here. And they're producing more, which we later transplant so we can keep harvesting. This is my set capotes, which is beautiful. On this side too. In this part, well, there's oregano over there, and here there's chives. And here, in this part, there's more spinach planted. Here, there's more chives. Spinach is ready to harvest here. Here it's also a bit mixed, but there's already some to harvest. All of this is what we eat as greens. The greens is from our own harvest. Here we have more. This is a loquat, which is growing very well here. That is an avocado, which gets completely burned in the winter. We're struggling to see if we can get it to grow here, but it's difficult. You can see the dome in the distance. Let's get closer. We're still working a lot on it, so we'll leave that for another video. And we'll tell you exactly how. We can show you how it's going, but right now it's a mess. He's having trouble closing the greenhouse. Can you? No, I'm going to have to call Rojo. Okay, let's call the technician. Now it's winter and they look like this, but you don't know how beautiful that planter is in the summer. If I find a picture, I'll show it. Let's go in from this side. Now over there you can see the heels. There's a part missing here. We're going to set it up so the south wind doesn't hit us so hard. We're setting up here. All these beautiful shutters were made by Roma. Look how beautiful they are. I love them. Hi, you three, Utre. Those little trees are growing beautifully. And this is the other entrance, the one I showed you today. Look, hi, Cero. That's the end of the tour, and Roma is arriving. Hi, Roma. Hi. Yeah. Well, just in time for you to say goodbye at the end. Oh, I'm in Crystal's room. Does she want to leave? Does she want to leave? Well, I'll take this chance to greet you with Roma, and I really love my little house. I don't know if you all will like it. I'm absolutely in love with it. It took us a lot of effort to finish it. Now we just need to paint it and add some details. Well, for those who follow us, you know that we had a big conflict with the construction company. They abandoned the project. And well, we gradually got over it. And putting in a lot of effort, a lot of work, especially from Roma and well, also the construction workers we had to hire anyway. We've talked about that in other videos, but it's true, we still needed to show you the finished house. So we've kept our promise. All right, bye-bye. Bye.